We are going to test our app. So you can see my device version name, SDK version, code name, incremental code, and preview SDK version, security path. Welcome all to the new video of coding race. In this video we will learn how to make device info app in MIT App Inventor. So take your web browser and search MIT App Inventor and log in with your Google account and start new project. Type the project name. You can type any project name. Okay, just change it to tablet, and the background image will be I have already added this image. I will give the link in description to download this image. Okay, click on the screen and go to background image, change it to this background. Yeah, that looks nice. And we want some labels, 7 labels we want. Okay, just click on the screen and the align vertical will be center, align horizontal or will be center, and just click on this label 1 and the text will be Android version and enter. Okay, and just click on the text for label 2. Text will be SDK version and just enter. Okay, text for label 3 will be erase all the text, base IOC and just enter. So next will be text for label 4. Erase all the text, code name, just enter. Next, text for label 5. Erase all the text, incremental, and next text for label 6. Okay, remove all the text and type preview SDK version. The last text for label 7. Erase all the text and type security patch. Okay. Next, we want one extension to get about your mobile. So go to this, just type device and utils to get some info about your device, or I will give the link in description to visit this website, and just go down and you can see this AIX device.aix. just click on it, wait for some seconds, and you can see the extension downloaded. Go to MIT App Inventor and you want to click on this extensions, import extensions, drag and drop the extension and just click on this import. Wait, yeah, you can see this device utils extension. Drag and drop it to the screen. Okay, so go to block section, go to screen, you can see when screen 1 initialize. Go to label 1, drag and drop label 1.text and go to text and drag and drop this joint code to here. Go to label 1 more time and you can see label 1.text and then go to this extensions and drag and drop Android version. So here when the screen will initialize, you can see the Android version. So right click on it, duplicate and drag and drop it here. Change it to label 2 and this also label 2 and this will be SDK version. Just change it to SDK version. Right click on it, duplicate, drag and drop it here. Label 3, this also label 3. This will be base OS. That's it. Next we will next label 4. Right click on it, duplicate label 4. This also label 4 and this will be code name. Right click on it, duplicate, click on it and label 5. This also label 5 and this will be incremental. Okay, go to block section, change it to incremental and right click on it, duplicate, drag and drop it here, change it to label 6. This also label 6 and next we want preview SDK version. That's you can see it. Just click on it, right click on it, duplicate, drag and drop it here, change it to label 7. This also label 7 and it will security parts. Okay, just change it to security parts. So these are the code for our device info taking app. So thank you for watching. If you want more tutorials about making apps, visit our The Coding Race YouTube channel. Bye.